The way that he like stopped and like was listening to the kids. Get his feet. Look, he's bubbling. You hungry? Like, you see him, like, try to eat something, he'll just grab it and fucking yank on it and, like, eat it, like, half a fucking tree.
Yeah.
He might, when we go back up here, he stopped, like, 3 or 4 times, just, like, he went off the path and just grabbed something. Here we go, look.
Oh, wow.
He's carrying stuff.
Yeah, just gonna gnaw on this fucking 2x4. Mow down on it.
Oh, he doesn't like it.
He's like, tasted it. No.
Look at him go. Just riding elephants and walking by him. Like it's a normal day in Thailand.